after this interview. What's my
Can someone put this
reaction?
on real quick? I want to see how it looks like.
Whoa!
Like, can someone like, I want to see
Hammer!
like,
Boom! 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 Boom!
Put it on.
What? Yo, I did not know that. Oh wait, that just doesn't a whole ass
Look!
effect.
Look
bro.
at this! Look! Look! Look at this!
What?
Lucas made it.
Wait, let me see your head. Let me see your head. Throw your head
Look at
down.
all this.
Oh, it's just nothing.
Oh yeah, and I bought these gloves.
This hat.
I haven't checked out Forest yet. Ooh.
Colombia. Colombia.
Yo. Ba 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 ba. Flamethrower.
I need my gloves.
It's a mini flamethrower. Burn. Burn. Any last words?
Me?
You burn.
You have to put this in your ear. You have to put this in your ear.
Oh. Wait. That's that.
I can't hear it because you guys are super loud.
This update. What's this?
Surgery.
Oh wait, does it even work?
Does this thing like make? Whoa!
Be burned.
What the heck was that noise?
It was the fan. It's the fan thing. The fan.
I
really?
this?
Oh my god, I love that.
Did something with it.
What do you do with this?
Whoa!
How does this work?
You have to
Oh.
keep swinging it. Whoa!
What does it even do?
You just did it.
What the?
You? Oh!
You do it. You do it.
You pull out this.
Look at all these.
Whoa! That's cool. Oh, it's a ring. What's this? Oh, it's lava coffee.
Okay.
Somebody did something. Like somebody did something and it made my face red. Somebody did something.
Oh, that's like 7,000, bro. Are you serious?
I'm drinking lava. Umbrella.
Okay, that doesn't do it.
Cosmetics so bad.
Boo, 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 boo.
I want to get one of these.
Come,
guys,
though.
but I don't have enough.
Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
This one.
Yo, I love this
one actually
hammer.
is pretty cool because
Bang, bang.
the effect. The
You get
fire
over
effect
here.
is pretty cool. This is not.
Fire
This is
effect
pretty
is
cool.
cool.
Get over here.
Yeah.
Bang.
Oh, the umbrella's cool too.
You wanna go?
Yeah, but it
Bang.
costs 5,000.
Bang.
Umbrella costs
Yeah.
5,000.
Let me
Why
see
be
this.
so
Hot tamale.
expensive?
No one cares about coffee. Let
Did
me
you
see
just buy
hot
some shiny
tamale.
rocks? I'll spend money. Actually, there's something.
Ah!
Extra cosmetics.
Eat this.
Extra cosmetics up here. Oh, that would be cool. I know, right?
Eat. Eat.
Wait, imagine if
Eat.
there was something like,
Eat.
That's so much.
I don't know.
No.
$5,000.
Eat. Your face.
Are you serious?
Okay, no. Guys, what should I buy that's not a hat,
Eat.
not a badge,
Eat.
not a face off?
Eat.
This.
Eat.
jump all the way down.
Who wants to get beat up? You wanna get beat up?
No, 3,000.
Bum bum bum.
Oh,
Bum 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 bum. Bing.
Like,
I don't know.
how much money do you have? It's a torch. It's guys, what? It's like a little
Wait, can I
torch.
put this with my room?
Yo, who wants to eat this? Who wants to eat this?
Me.
Eat. Eat. Eat.
What's supposed to
No,
happen?
look at this, bro. Look at me.
Your
look at me.
mouth.
Look at me.
Wait, orange. Guys, you watched me.
You have to eat it one more time.
You. Under 3,800 shiny rocks. I don't have.
Oh.
Under 4,000 shiny rocks. Has to be under 4,000 shiny rocks.
Oh.
Remember, a whole bag. The bag. Wait, what's the new?
This is pretty boring. It doesn't make like a cool effect. I mean, I guess it actually looks pretty cool, but like, it's 5,000.
Eat this.
Guys, look.
Eat it.
Guys, everybody look. I'm gonna superheat this pepper, and then I'm gonna eat it. Watch this.
Mm.
Yummy. You want me to buy the mug? Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Wait, how much is the mug? How much is it?
That was,
3,500. The
that
mug
was
is
you.
3,500.
The mug is actually pretty cool. I actually like it. I don't think I'm gonna waste money today. I mean, these items are pretty cool, but like, I need to save money.
Eat this. Eat the pepper.
My name is Little Pepper.
I might buy this soup.
Wait, what should I buy? Should I buy the pepper or should I buy the
Wait, if I
the
buy
mini
this.
flamethrower or whatever?
I found a secret.
Should I buy this? This?
Yeah, no.
Here, come to the shop. I found a secret.
Okay. Wait,
Why does it
guys,
say add to
what
cart?
is the most item here that I need
Oh,
to buy?
wait.
What is the
It says
best one
add to
here?
cart here.
What is the best one?
Yeah, it says this one. This behind you. Orange highway hat. This one.
I should buy this one? Like, literally this and this one.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, let's go, guys.
You want me to buy... No, this is pretty garbage.
Let me
This is
take
pretty
all
cool.
of this away.
No.
The mug is 3,500. So if I buy this, I can't buy this. So which
Let's
one
go,
is it
guys.
gonna be?
Let's check out forest. Because I saw the leak.
What should I buy? One of these two.
This or this?
One of these two.
I should
One of these two. The mug or
Okay, not. What?
I'm finally.
Oh my god!
What is this?
Yo! Shaders? Shaders? Shaders?
Yeah, bro. I'm not tagged yet. You guys can't tag me.
That big volcano! Whoa! Wait, can I go in the lava? Oh my god, I can go I can swim in the lava. That's shaders. This is shaders, blood.
I look like
my shaders. You look like my dog. What are you talking?
Hey, go in the lava pool. I mean, go in the lava slide. Go in the
Lava
lava slide.
slide. Lava slide.
Lava slide, bro. I can't climb. I'm disabled, guys.
What's that noise? What's that noise? The lava! Wait, what's happening? No! There's rocks? There's
Put it
rocks.
back.
Wait, we can make this explode?
Yeah.
Ah,
Don't make it.
this is this
Make it explode.
this is my first time in this update. I'm recording right now. What's that buzzer? What the?
That was my
Go, go, go!
Hey, yo, where y'all going?
What's-
Why y'all leaving?
Yeah.
It's nothing.
Ah! That's lava! It's rising! What?
I'm just like watching him climb through shaders.
This is absolutely fabulous.
Kind of cool at the moment. Like,
Time to jump in the water! I mean, water. Lava! Ah!
I really want I almost just fell in the lava. If I miss this long jump, I'm gonna... Wait, what?
I got out the lava.
Did the lava make you a lava monkey?
Yeah, it makes you a lava monkey. Look, the volcano. The mini volcano and the big volcano. Well, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. This for real. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna jump in the lava.
Oh my gosh, yes,
I'm gonna jump in the lava.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump in the lava. I'm gonna jump. Actually, you know what? I don't want to get tagged. So once I get tagged, then I'll jump in the lava.
Bro, there's a lava tag.
Yo, look at these gloves. These gloves.
Beautiful with shaders.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna jump in the lava. Hope you guys enjoyed.